How's it hanging, pals? It's me, Mandy Girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year. I've been gone for a while, as you've seen, and it's because back in December, or was it November? One of the two, I broke my ring light. And then it took a while for that to show up. And then once it did show up, I was kind of demotivated, and now here we are. I'm gonna try and be better about this. That's my New Year's resolution, is to be better about filming videos. But yeah, I've done a whole bunch of shit on TikTok. If you would like to go look at the dumbassery that I have been posting on there. But yeah, today I'm gonna ease myself back into this and do something. I'm gonna do something. I'll try and get back into the tutorials that I said I was going to, the ones that were requested of me. They'll come at some point. I kind of just have to be in the mood to film those ones specifically, but we'll get there. I promise we will get there. But for today, let's get into it. What the fuck? This was supposed to be a tutorial. I was so jazzed to film a tutorial today. I feel so good right now. I was doing a whole bunch of shit. I was saying a whole bunch of cool stuff. I was having a great time. I don't know who my phone thinks she is, but she stopped recording after 13 minutes of me doing this. So, you'll be getting a tutorial in the next video. This video, I guess, is more just an announcement video. I'm really mad about the fact that my phone decided we weren't gonna record a video today. I've been talking to myself for like 30 minutes. There's no watch. I like to do that gag. Little upset about it, you know? Little upset. But I guess that's just how life be sometimes. So, I'll see you guys next time. Also, for anyone wondering, this is how the makeup look came out. This is how I finished it. I wish I could have shown you how I got here, but sadly my phone decided no. So next time. See ya.